Welcome dear friends. Today we will discuss synthesis of salbutamol. In your examination, question will be asked in this manner. Write synthesis, IUPAC name, mechanism and uses of salbutamol. So in that question you will give synthesis of salbutamol, then you will mention IUPAC name, mechanism and use of salbutamol drug. This salbutamol, it is also known as albuterol, so don't be confused with salbutamol and albuterol. If question asks that write synthesis of albuterol, in that condition you will have to give the same answer. So first we will discuss synthesis of salbutamol. Starting material for the synthesis of salbutamol is orthohydroxy methyl benzoate. Here hydroxy is present on ortho position, so orthohydroxy, this is methyl and this portion is benzoic acid, so it is known as benzoate. This compound is treated with chloroacetyl chloride. So due to heating, these hydrogen from orthohydroxy methyl benzoate and chloro from acetyl chloride will be liberated as hydrogen chloride. So these two molecules will be fused and converted into this compound. The resultant compound will be then treated with N-tertiary butyl N-tolulyl amine. This is N-tertiary butyl N-tolulyl amine. Due to this reaction, hydrogen from this amine and chloro from this molecule will be liberated as hydrogen chloride. These two molecules will be condensed and will result into this compound. This compound will be then treated with lithium aluminium hydride. This lithium aluminium hydride, it is strong reducing agent that is used for ester reduction. So this ester will be reduced and converted into alcohol. Here sodium borohydride, it is also used as reducing agent, but it is weak reducing agent that cannot be used for ester hydrolysis. So in this reaction we have to use only lithium aluminium hydride. After this compound will be then treated with sodium borohydride. This sodium borohydride, it is used for reduction of keto functional group. Here keto is present, that will be reduced and will be converted into alcohol functional group. So the previous compound will be then converted into this one. After that, this compound will be treated with pelledized hydrogen. This pelledized hydrogen, it is used for reduction process. So after the reduction process, from this amine, toluene will be liberated and this compound will be converted into this one. This compound is known as salbutamol, or it is known as albuterol. Now IUPAC name. To give IUPAC name to salbutamol, we must have to remember the numbering. Here hydroxy group, that means alcohol is present. This portion is known as phenol, so phenol is also present, and here amine is also present. So when we see about the priority rule, so this phenol, here this phenol, it is more prior as compared to alcohol and amine, so this compound is phenol. So in the phenol we will give numbering. This is number 1, then this one is 2, 3, 4 and 5. On the second position, hydroxymethyl is present. On the fourth position, ethyl is present. Here we have given number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So on the ethyl group we will give different numbering, that is 1 prime, 2 prime. On the first carbon of ethyl group, hydroxy is present, whereas on the second carbon, amine is present. So here 1 dash hydroxy, and on the second position 2 dash N, this is tertiary butyl, N tertiary butyl amino, this is ethyl, and that is present on fourth position. So IUPAC name will be 4 2 dash N tertiary butyl amino, this is tertiary butyl amino, 1 dash hydroxyethyl, 1 hydroxyethyl. This substitution we will write in the bracket. On the second position of phenol, hydroxymethyl is present. So we will write 2-hydroxymethyl, 2-hydroxymethyl phenol. This is the IUPAC name of salbutamol. Now we will discuss mechanism of action of salbutamol. This beta adrenergic receptor will stimulate adenyl cyclase enzyme. This adenyl cyclase enzyme can convert adenosine triphosphate, in short it is known as ATP, into cyclic adenosine monophosphate, in short it is known as cyclic AMP. So due to conversion of ATP into cyclic AMP by the enzyme adenyl cyclase, the concentration of this cyclic AMP will increases. So increase in the concentration of cyclic AMP will results into relaxation of bronchial smooth muscles. So due to relaxation of bronchial smooth muscles, there will be inhibition of mediator from the mast cell that can create hypersensitivity reaction. So due to inhibition of this mediator, hypersensitivity reaction will be stopped. This is mechanism of action of salbutamol. Next is uses. Salbutamol can be used in the treatment of asthma. It can be used in the treatment of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. In short, it is known as COPD, like wheezing, coughing and improper breathing. It can relax airway muscle in the lungs, so it can be helpful in the breathing. It can also be used in the treatment of acute hyperkalemia. Hyperkalemia means increase in the potassium level. It is also used in the obstetrics. Obstetrics is the branch of medicine and surgery that is associated with the childbirth. It is also used as a tocolytic agent. Tocolytics are the agent that can inhibit the contraction of myometrial smooth muscle. That means inhibits the uterine contraction and helpful in the childbirth. So these are the different uses of the salbutamol drug. So this is all about salbutamol, its synthesis, IUPAC name, mechanism and use. So whenever question asked in your examination, you have to mention all these things. Prepare well. We will meet again in the next lecture with the another topic. Thank you for watching this video.